Take your training to the next level with my new book, Pilates for Athletes from Penguin Random House. Link to order is below. Are we on? My friends, Coach Vigue Fitness with an I, your official online yoga and Pilates instructor. A different spot in my illustrious driveway today. Today, a nice 10-minute perfect Pilates core workout. All body weight, no weights or machines. Slow it down a little bit, get this workout in, do it anytime you like. And we like to, wait, hold on one second, hold on. Before these workouts, I like to ask a question, usually unrelated to the workout, or is it? Leave your answer below and I'll let you know my answer at the end of the video. Today's question is, what is your favorite Pixar movie? Your favorite Pixar movie, P-I-X-A-R. I am dying to know. I'll let you know mine at the end, and that one is probably correct. Okay, and also check in below, comment, leave your feedback, and thanks so much for following me and subscribing to this channel. I've said a lot. All right, let's get it right around 10 minutes. Pilates, working from your core outward, building strength and flexibility that we can't even imagine. Here comes the UPS. Okay, it's going by. Let's bring it down. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the mouth. Take those legs back and forth to start. Want to loosen up the sides. Want to get the breath and the movement as always connected together. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. In the nose, out the mouth. Good. Oh, got a little cavitation there. Going to watch the clouds roll by. Let's focus on precision, on flow, on deep breathing, and of course, enjoying ourselves. All right, I shouldn't waste too much time. We have 10 minutes. Tabletop position. We can do a lot in 10 minutes. The Pilates 100, shoulders back and down. We're going to pump the arms up and down about 4 to 6 inches. You can also zip up the legs, extend them out in Pilates stance. Let's breathe in for 5, out for 5, 100 pulses. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow it down. Last 10. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What fun that was. Take those shoulders back and down. You want to prove to yourself all the time that you have good posture and good alignment in every exercise. Let's go to double leg stretch. Tabletop position. Arms to the sides. Inhale, extend out. Exhale, circle around. Bring it back in. Let's do 5 more. Slowly. In the nose. Circle around, out the mouth. So we get this big stretch in the shoulders and the chest as well. Keep your lower back down. 2 more. Long, lean body. Stretch it out, bring it back in. Let Pilates be one of the foundations of your fitness regiment. Bring it in. Come on up into the saw. Take the heels to the edges of the mat or wider. Strings everywhere. Arms out. 10 repetitions. We're going to twist first and then dive forward. Look to your back arm. Pinky finger, pinky toe. 2 pulses. Exhale, exhale. Really stretch, really stretch. Slice it through. Inhale up. Twist first. Pulse, pulse. Make sure you are breathing along with it or the saw will fall and falter. There's 3. Lift tall, twist, and pulse, pulse. And I believe we have 5. Beautiful, my friend. 5 more. Pull those abdominals in on the exhales. Long stretch. 3 more. Twist first. Get some nice rotational flexibility and strength and force and power. Pixar, huh? I see how it is. Okay, seated twist, one of my new favorites. Always liked it, but I added a little extra to it lately. Take the arms out. Legs together, you can bend the knees to modify. Shoulders back, I feel like Vanna White or Carol Merrill right there. You know, 2 pulses each side. We pulse, pulse, and then center. Let's do 10 starting here. Exhale, exhale, inhale. 1, 2, keep the posture. 3, nice and tall. 4, 5, here comes that UPS truck. 6, 7, 8, 2 more. Please don't turn into my driveway. Don't ruin our perfect Pilates workout. Okay, bring it down. Right knee in, left leg out, single leg stretch. 10 times. 5, what am I saying? Here's 1, 2, lift the chest. 3, nice long lines. 4, 5, imprinting the lower back. 6, 7, fill and empty them lungs. 8, like a bellows. 9, 10, single straight leg stretch, right leg up. We're gonna pull the leg, inhale, switch. There's 1, 2, lift the chest. 3, 4, long stretch down the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Okay, come to the bird dog. Everybody, come to the bird dog. Come for the freak, stay for the food. What's that from? Hands in knees position. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale, extend in the nose. Exhale down, out the mouth. Don't think of a number right now. Just go. Let's balance. Keep your eyes focused. We want this workout to balance out the body. Work from the core outward. Build a very pliable, powerful machine. And the mind, get off the mat, is always in control. Sorry, I was in bird dog land. It's the newest land at Disney. All right, let's do 10 more, a little faster. 1, 2, we got balance. We have core strength here. 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no way to make that counting interesting. 7, sing it. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let me switch the cap. We're gonna come down onto our stomachs, classic swim. You've probably swimmed a lot with me. Let's stretch it out first. It's always a very powerful move. Get a nice long body, opposite arm, opposite leg. I'm on the asphalt, but that's okay. My ass isn't on the asphalt. My stomach is. My hands and feet are, rather. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep your focus on length, a nice long, lean body. If you like, you could speed it up. Let's do 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift it all up. Superman pose, 3 breaths. Fingers and toes reaching away. Oh, yes. All right, child's pose. Press it back just for 2 breaths. Are we around 10 minutes yet? Let's do one more exercise here. Usually by popular request. Switch the cap. I got this cap a couple months ago. It's very new, very shiny. I was very excited to show it off. I'm sure it will be a hit in this video. Backstroke. 8 times. Here we start right here. Our lower back is down. We're going to inhale, extend up. We got this huge stretch here. Keep inhaling as you circle around. Bring it together right here. Exhale. Boom. Head can be down too. Here's 2. 3. Reach. Circle. Pow. Whew. Okay. Around and around. One more time. I think I said 6. I hope I did. If not, I apologize. Squeeze. Bring it in. Want to finish with one of my little favorites. It's a variation on single straight leg stretch. Reverse single straight leg stretch. Take the legs out. Exhale, pull. Snap it back. 10 times. Here's 2. Stabilize the core. 3. 4. Big stretch. 5. If you don't have that flexibility, things will break down very quickly. They'll break down. Your body will compress. You'll have injuries that affects our mood, our life, our relationships, everything. Definitely affecting my counting. One more time. In and knees in. Well done, my friends. About 10 minutes, maybe a perfect Pilates core workout. What did you think? Share that on, subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. We got the big question. What is your favorite Pixar movie? Please comment below. And now I'm going to tell you mine. No, it's not The Incredibles. It's not the Toy Stories. It's not that other one. I'll give you a hint. Up. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.